How to create an Amazon wish list and share it. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go it quick and easy and how you can create an Amazon wish list and share it. Well, to create an Amazon wish list and share it, you can simply first head into amazon.com. You can head over to your account. Once here, you can tap on your account here. You can see list, tap on list option. Once you tap on list here, you can tap on plus icon and create a list here. So you can create a list and you can add items to that list, and once you have added the list, what you can do is you can proceed to share that particular list. You can see invite to list, you can manage this list, you can invite someone else to either view only, or you can invite someone to view and edit as well. So tap on invite and then tap on view only, and you can either copy link and such and you can share it. So this is how I can create Amazon wish list and share it. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.